Hello, Miles Moreau. I'm with KIC and General Manager. We're here this week at Productronica 2023, and it's been great to be here. Well, KIC as a company and a history of KIC is a company that comes out with innovations around thermal process. We've always been, from the beginning, something that people don't know is KIC is a process monitoring company first and foremost over temperature profiling, which we're also well known for. So we've always had embedded systems that go into thermal process and always had a support group and field service group that are out in the field because we have these embedded systems that are running all the time. So that's kind of part of our core. That is something unique that a lot of people don't know about. There's certain aspects of KIC that make us unique compared to other companies that are similar to us or our competitors, is that because KIC was a process monitoring company, we always deal with what we're looking for to innovate and our solutions in terms of process. So rather than having the next best profiler with the most sample rates that can do this and that, we think of in terms of our solutions as to how can we build a better solution, a tool, a hardware, the software that can help the customer with their processes. And that has really driven our innovation. It's required innovation. You can't just look for the next technology and just integrate it in. You really have to think about how this is going to solve problems for the customer, and I think that makes us unique. KIC addresses solutions in any aspect, but especially the way we're addressing solutions in the market with regards to Industry 4.0, smart factory, and nowadays integrating artificial intelligence into our solutions, is looking at it from the process side, not from anything to make our equipment necessarily smarter, but what are the steps that the customer is looking to do in terms of thermal process, which is KIC's expertise, and how can we help them automate those things? Not only automate them so they don't have the manual steps, but also how can we help them to automate with the rest of the manufacturing line? So actually being able to be a smart system and communicate with other equipment on the fly. The new solutions that KIC is bringing to the market this year really link into our core and our founding around process monitoring. One of our original patents was around our thermocouple probes that are embedded into the oven. And this kind of ties with the whole theme of Industry 4.0. And that is being able to sense and detect what's going on during production. And the reflow process, for example, one area we know really well, it's really challenging to know what's happening to the boards. And our original patent was around knowing what's happening to the production boards. And now we've developed a brand new sensing technology based on the technology of pyrometers, but a proprietary pyrometer that can actually, mounted in the peak zone, read the board temperature during production. And that way we can tell if there's been a change in the heat transfer convection rate in the oven in real time. So that's one big product we have available, one solution. The other big thing that we see a lot of our customers are high mix, low volume. So they're doing 3, 4, 5 changeovers a day. And the oven can be a bottleneck when it comes to changing recipes and then trying to control to the new temperatures. And we've developed a search routine with our prediction model to come up with a single recipe or fewer recipes for all of their assemblies. So effectively now their changeover time during the day for production for the reflow process comes down to 0.